Vardha Sharma, editor Newsband, daily English newspaper of Navi Mumbai. Since the past 3 to 4 years, Indian women's hockey is taking great strides at the global level in major tournaments. It is really heartening to note that 6 women players from Mumbai Railways have been selected in the Indian women's hockey team, and they will be representing the country in Tokyo Olympics, which are scheduled to be held from 23rd July this year. While the grit, perseverance, and dedication of the players for any tournament is important, it is the coaches who play an important role in steering their teams to make history. As an American basketball player and coach, John Robert Wooden has said, and I quote, "A good coach can change a game. A great coach can change a life." Today we have with us 3 coaches from Mumbai Railways, 2 from Central Railway and 1 from Western Railway, who have worked really hard to ensure that some of the players from their zones make it to the national team. We have with us coach for Central Railway women's hockey team, Mrs. Helen Mary, who is Arjuna awardee. She has played as field hockey goalkeeper and has represented India internationally from 1992 to 2007. She has played 272 matches and last represented as goalkeeper in Rio Olympics in 2016. She has represented India in 2 World Championships, 3 times Asian Games, and 3 Commonwealth Games, and has bagged 2 times silver medal in Asian Games, 1 bronze medal for India. She has coached 122 matches as goalkeeper coach. Welcome, Mrs. Mary.
Hi, thank you so much.
Coach Mrs. Sarita Grover is a national hockey player, and she's from Haryana and works in Central Railway as office superintendent in engineering department. Hi, Sarita.
Hi, thank you.
Mrs. Manorma Goswami Sharma coaches and trains women hockey players in kabaddi as well as in hockey. She's also an international hockey player and was a member of the team in Olympic qualifying round in England in the year 2000. So welcome all the coaches.
Thank you.
Coach Mary, I will start with you. First of all, would be interested to know what is the preparation? How is the preparation of the team for the Tokyo Olympics, and which team, in your opinion, is going to give the toughest fight?
Preparation regarding preparation of the Indian Olympic team, which is going for the Rio for the Olympics in Japan. That is like quite. They are already fit and they're doing well. And it is not focused by 1 or 2 weeks or something or 1 year. This is a long-term plan is going on regarding the training of Olympics. And after the qualifying of Rio 2016, the players started to have more and more fun and excitement after qualifying. After so many years, they qualified. So now, if you look into the team, it's really quite good. They're fit enough and they're doing really good. In all the conditions like diet, you take the fitness, you take regarding the what you take, rest of the things, whatever it is, like rest you take, whatever it is, they're doing quite good. And during the last year, what had happened, they're still fit and they're working more hard.
Sarita, which team do you feel will give the toughest fight to Indian team?
See, like you don't have that recordings. Helen most probably said that no team is toughest. Everybody is equal to that because that they are qualifying for the Olympics. That teams are coming better and better. Not that they are like that only. Every match you play, you have to win. You have to struggle, and every team is equal. Not team is lesser than that.
मनोरमा, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Actually, things are all are equal, same like it, because of Olympic qualify के लिए सब टीम प्रिपरेशन मतलब लॉन्ग टाइम बैक से लोग प्रिपरेशन करके आए हैं. मोस्टली हमारी टीम में सबसे टीम है हॉलैंड का नेदरलैंड से हमारी खास मैच भी हॉलैंड के साथ होने वाली है। ये भी बहुत सबसे वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कंट्री द 1 नंबर हॉलैंड के साथ है। ये भी हमारी सबसे टीम, लेकिन उस तरह में भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, अर्जेंटीना ये भी है, बहुत टफ टीम है। तो बट ऑल आर बहुत टफ टीम है। मोस्टली जो इंडिया के सबसे फास्ट मैच होने वाला 24 जुलाई का, वो भी सबसे वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वन कंट्री फास्ट नंबर 1 उसके साथ मैच है। तो लेट्स सी ऑल आर, हमारी इंडिया भी वेरी गुड, वो भी कर है।
See, but since 1.5 years, there have been restrictions, there have been traveling bans, so due to COVID-19. So how were the players able to do the practice sessions? Did it affect their practicing?
No, I don't think so. It is affected because they were well prepared for each and everything. When they travel, yeah, when they're at home, they know what to do and what not to do. It's been the advice had been being given by the coach, the trainer, and the advisor over there. So I think they've been well balanced and they know their duty because it's Olympics. It comes once in a 4 years. So they have to be prepared for that. And the girls usually are very I would say they are really very by heart they work, and whatever they do, they don't take it the things very easy. To reach that part, they know how much they work hard, what all they lost in their life, they were away from the family. So nothing has affected them, but they've smartly moved in the pandemic moment, doing all the fitness in the room itself, not going out of the room, doing in the fitness, and they be sitting in the room and they were challenging other sports person itself in the media, yeah, if you say Facebook and lots of social medias they were doing. So they were doing a good job, but all the support was from the trainer and coaches, not because of other this one all, because they were been able to give all the small fitness whatever they do. They used to keep them in groups to do what and what not to do, and they had lots of video recording matches all which has to be played with whom they have to play. And during the training session, what are they were missing, they were doing in the room itself, like strengthening core and agility workout, then many more things, diet. So what they have to eat, what they have to not to eat, everything been said, and they smartly moved and they are fit enough now.
Sarita, what would you like to say?
Yeah, the pandemic has now don't give them anything because they are practicing
Affected.
hard. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, not affect them because they are doing fitness training, weight training, everything there, because they are not playing matches, that is there, but not only matches they can do good, because fitness is also there. Their coaches are doing well over there, and more fitness they are doing, they are coming more fit.
I see. And Manorma,
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to give thanks and the Sai Bangalore and the Hockey India. They are very good facility. They are very good precaution. Is the one of the ऐसे pandemic timing में लोग ने बहुत अच्छा facility के साथ protection के साथ किया. तो this is the thankful हमारी बच्चे safely है. But they are doing nicely. They are doing the practice also.
Exactly. Yeah,
and,
I agree with that.
Yes. Coach Mary, in India, we have relatively less grounds with astroturfs. And so do the players feel difficulty in adjusting from the grounds that have natural grass to astroturfs when they are going abroad?
No, this has not been affected. Something has happened like this because all the players are grooming from grassroots hockey itself. So we are talking about LI, that is the Olympic which is qualified. So they are based in Bangalore for years, like from 4-5 years, they are based over there. So nothing should be affected. And coaches and the Hockey India side, they know if Japan has been laid such a turf. So this turf has been laid at even other countries also. So what they do, the best part is like they don't see where in India it is like, because they know Japan what is the weather or how the weather condition is. So particularly they see that and they go to that country, like England has laid the same turf and Australian has got the same, Holland has got the same. So during this period they go train over there and they come back. They have a test matches over there. They have a training session over there. They have a friendly matches over there. They play even the tournament over there. So they know basically they have to play with this turf. So they do the same thing. They come back to India and they train over there and they go. I think AstroTurf is not a big deal over here. But for the grassroots, if you see, I think previous like many years, that is, I'm talking about 2019 and all, 90s all. So we had less of that time for the growth of grassroots girls. But now, if you see, there are lots in one state. I think in one district, 2 to 3 AstroTurfs are there for the growing girls, for the school girls. If you see in Bombay, every school has got a AstroTurf. So I don't think so. It has to affect any of the players, I think.
Uh, does the team play with any fixed formation, or does it change? The strategies change as per the opponent team?
There's not that.
Yeah.
You're asking me.
Yes,
It
yes.
doesn't changes as per this one, but first in the training session only we'll play lots of formation. Lots of formation we have to keep it. By now the present they play 3, but they play even 4 also. If they play with the heavy teams, they have to change the formation. Should we go for attacking? Yeah, should we defense? So the formation automatically change as per the team stance. But if suppose the team is very weaker than this one, so the formation change. We play a lot of attacking game and give rest to the seniors, and we make the juniors to play. And during the formation, if I talk, it's not about the 16 members. It's like a patchwork for the players. So they rotate. They don't stick on to the same position. They rotate the position like a global ball, and they keep rounding. And so this is like turf is like high intensity game now at situation. So all the defense has to be up and all the strikers has to be behind. So formation keep changes as per the opponent team been played.
मनोरमा, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगी?
या एक्चुअली ऑब्वियसली कहना चाहती हूँ कि सामने वाला ओपोनेंट टीम देखे हमारी जो स्ट्रेटेजी, हमारी प्लान इस हिसाब से चेंज करते हैं. अभी एग्जांपल एज ए नाउ इज द हॉलैंड नेदरलैंड टीम इज द बेस्ट टीम. इसका डिफेंसिव इज गुड, नाइस डिफेंसिव. तो जो है सेंटर से जो उसका जो पासिंग हाउ टू द कैसे हम लोग ने कैसे कंट्रोल करना, तो ये स्ट्रेटेजी हम अभी से बना के जाना है. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी वही जैसा हम लोग ने अभी बनाया इंडिया के सीजन में ऐसी फॉर्मेशन में ऐसा बनाना है. नो, ऐसा हम ओपोनेंट टीम जैसा हम लोग फर्स्ट मैच हमको इसके साथ खेलना है, उसके कैसे होता है, उसके टीम का कैसे कहाँ पे स्ट्राइकर अच्छा है, डिफेंसिव अच्छा है, तो उसी हिसाब से हमारी टीम भी इसी हिसाब से हमारी टीम भी प्रिपरेशन करेगी.
सरिता, आप क्या बोलेंगी?
यार वो टीम तो हिसाब से वो लोग चेंज तो करते ही करते हैं, और आजकल की हॉकी टफ पे बहुत चेंज हो चुकी है, क्योंकि एक प्लेयर एक ही साइड पे स्टिक नहीं रहता, उसको फुल ग्राउंड में खेलना है और फुल ग्राउंड में आगे पीछे सब भागना है. तो वो लोग एवरी डे जिसके साथ मैच है, जो भी टीम के साथ मैच है, तो अपनी स्ट्रेटजी वो लोग उसी हिसाब से बनाते हैं और चेंज करते हैं.
Usually, the Indian players, the exposure to international exposure is pretty less. So how do you ensure that the players, adjust to and get an international exposure?
See, I would definitely say we are not less like others. We also play lots of matches. Like I take as like usually when we play as an elite team, when we take that per year 80 to 90 matches we play. So these girls are playing more than that, and they're getting the chance also to play. And there is no less than that. Other countries are having lots of matches because of the pandemic thing. We got less opportunities. But if you see juniors and seniors, the team which is going to qualify for the Olympics, they are playing a lot of matches. From past 4 years, they played a lot of matches. I think about more than 2 to 20 matches they have played.
Do you feel that hockey is gaining popularity? Because in India, what we usually have is more of cricket or lawn tennis. So do you feel that hockey is gaining popularity and also money vis-a-vis these two games? मनोरमा, आपको क्या कहना है उस बारे में?
Hockey is gaining more popularity, but still now we are close to cricket in the India and the international in the lawn tennis. Hence the most money and of the majority hockey players is not enough to sustain their family and the personal cost of living. Full-time devotion by this player it does not possible presently. so
आपका क्या कहना होगा?
मैं तो यही कहूंगी कि अभी तो बहुत कुछ चेंज हो गया है, हॉकी में भी बहुत पॉपुलैरिटी भी बन गई है, इवन कि प्लेयर्स को खूब पैसा भी मिल रहा है। ऐसा नहीं है कि हॉकी मतलब जो पहले थी उस हिसाब से अभी लड़कियों को बहुत सारे पैसे भी मिल रहे हैं, स्टेट्स भी दे रहा है, नेशनल इंडिया भी उनको कर रहा है, इवन की हॉकी इंडिया उनको सब कुछ मतलब अभी दे रहा है। पहले जैसे होता था कि लोग इतना हॉकी को नहीं जानते थे, लेकिन उस हिसाब से अभी हॉकी को काफी लोग जानते हैं और बच्चे भी है कि इवन वुमेन्स आल्सो वांट टू प्ले द हॉकी बिकॉज द टीम इज गोइंग अप एंड अप।
Very, and yes, Mary, Coach Mary, you have been smiling throughout.
I would because the person who's asking is media. You only people have to take all the sports up because it is like a hats off to you people that a lot of media coverage is going on to hockey men's and women's. If I say like other, it is not about cricket or something else. I know the popularity is there, the money is there, marketing is there, advertisement is there. As they're growing more higher. But definitely the media and the sponsors are definitely looking into the small teams also. If you see, they have got lots of league matches. That is all because of the media coverage only. But I think if the marketing be more for the small games also will be more better. I think that is because of you people only.
No, in fact, I feel that since hockey is our national game, and it is quite unfortunate that still the players are not able to get that much of recognition. And but yes, it is gaining popularity. No
It is
doubt.
gaining popularity, but comparatively, if you see our time and now, there are vast difference in those things. The media coverage is there, the marketing is there. Girls are getting good popularity because of their awards and they're winning. That is why they are becoming more popular. If you see, and if you see all those things, the coverage between the media and what they have given till now, the paper, all those things, what is there, the social medias, you can see in social media, then and there you'll be getting coverage of the girls. So that is, it is not there a lot of thing, but there is difference between last this one decade and now. There is definitely a difference.
This is one thing I would like to say कि अभी आओ नाउ आपने हमको बुलाया, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम हमको पहचान हॉकी जैसा कि कोई आता नहीं है एक्चुअली ना कोई किसी ना आप हम लोगों को हॉकी कोच को कोई पहचान नहीं, लेकिन आज आपने हमको पहचान बना लिया, हॉकी हमको पहचान बना लिया.
So this is how it is growing actually.
Yeah.
And it is really, I mean, it's in fact a pleasure to have all of you here. In fact, the fourth coach, I mean, it would have been pleasure to have her also, because we want to know the players are doing wonderfully. I mean, they have really done a lot since the past few years, and all the efforts of the coaches play an important role. One question that I would like to ask from all the coaches: why did you take up this sport? Because at that time, as Coach Mary has already said, that it was not very easy. The journey must have been really tough. So what challenges did you face, and why this particular sport that you felt taking it up? And I think, was there a dearth of sports infrastructure? Mary, Coach Mary, आपसे start करते हैं.
I would definitely say there was a lot of up and downs, and but the thing is, like when we start in the grassroots, the age of 8 or 9, when we start, we don't think that hockey is this and this is that. We doesn't know. But if you see, I would definitely say the fitness. Okay, we have to do a lot of athletic for our style and maintain the speed for endurance, all this. Then we take a lot of sports. It is that we play coco, that is because of agility. Then we play little volleyball because we need hand power. Then when we come at the age of 13, then we thought, okay, this is a sports what we are. But why we took hockey? That is because of the school, the base where we started. The school had hockey, so we were more interested. And slowly, as we took the hockey, then it is a national. Then we came to know, okay, this is our national games, and there are a lot of inputs in this. It is not that we have good diet and something like that. But hockey was there in the school. We started, then we were focused on that. Then as we got selected, then we had, okay, this is our this is the way where we have to go and where we have to be. That is because all our seniors, I would say, all because of the seniors, the coaches who taught us, where we started. That is because of that. It is not particularly we have taken hockey, but it was there in the school. Then we started. Okay, then it limelighted. This is how we.
And what about the infrastructure? Was there any enough
We
facility?
didn't have enough facilities, but as we grow, we've been getting all those things like stakes and the gym, goalkeeper pads. As we started growing ourselves, then we entered the national team. Okay, we were seeing a good equipment. Then sponsors started coming. So slowly everything, because that is because of hockey, what we played and how we showed our game. Then all the sponsors started, and we entered in that team. That is all because of the sponsors and what we had. Our parents had supported us, the teammates who supported us. So it had been
This is
started in that way.
wonderful because the support of the parents is very important. Sometimes, the
More.
girls and also many boys are unable to get the support because the parents feel that, because it is not so popular, I mean, it is not gaining popularity and also the money. So many parents refrain from sending their children to sports. Manorma, what would you like to say? आपने क्यों लिया? Why did you choose?
Actually, जैसा हेलेन मेरी ने कहा है कि मैं बचपन से I was a child, I play so many sports. ऐसा नहीं फुटबॉल से शुरू किया, क्रिकेट, बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल. आई एम वेरी टॉल, तो वॉलीबॉल खेलो, क्रिकेट खेलो, कबड्डी खेलो, so many games. I never thought one day will be hockey. तो ऐसा मैं हॉकी खेलूंगी नहीं, लेकिन once time I played hockey. Lastly, I was play hockey. I really enjoy it. तो मुझे को अच्छा लगा. जब भी जितनी गेम मैंने चुना, मैंने खेला, उसके बाद वन डे मैंने को हॉकी खेलने के बाद मुझे को इतना फील लगा कि यस, ये मैं खेल सकती. इतना लगता था, ये करता था, फिर भी मुझे को ऐसा लगा कि ये हॉकी इज मेरी राइट चॉइस है, मेरा हॉकी. तो मैंने इसको शुरू किया स्कूल में. तो आई स्टार्टेड स्कूल and the inter school division. उसके बाद मुझे नेशनल के लिए खेलने लगी. उसके बाद जैसा आहिस्ता today I'm here, today हॉकी के कारण I'm here. तो जैसा I go to the go act. तो
आपने कहाँ से? From where have you started?
Yeah, I'm from the Manipur. मैं मणिपुर की रहने वाली हूँ, लेकिन there is no the hockey ground exactly, कुछ भी ग्राउंड नहीं था. हम लोग ने सीरीज शुरू किया कि हम लोग एक फुटबॉल, क्योंकि एक बड़ा ग्राउंड है, एक ही फुटबॉल हम लोग सब खेल सकती है. तो वहाँ पे एक वॉलीबॉल से हम लोग एक खेल सकते हैं. जैसा वहाँ पे हम जो जैसा ग्राउंड होता है, वहाँ पे हम लोग जाके रनिंग की जगह पर ग्राउंड ग्रास तक भी नहीं था. तो ऐसा हम लोग ने सिर्फ रनिंग एंड जो भी गेम जैसा है नियर बाय. वन थिंग आई एम लकीली नियर बाय द वन इज द इंटरनेशनल हॉकी प्लेयर Tiken Singh, he also. तो एक दिन मैंने उसने कहा कि अरे यार, तुम इतना रनिंग करते, तुम बहुत फाइटर है, तुम अच्छा रनिंग कर रहे, तुम तोल है, तुम एक हॉकी दिया उसने मेरे को, एक हॉकी दिया, एक बॉल दिया. तो आज के दिन में आप शुरू करो, हॉकी खेलो. तो जिस दिन से रियली आई एंजॉय, मतलब कि हाँ, मुझे हॉकी इज द माय चॉइस, मतलब कि एकदम चॉइस है, सही गेम है करके मैंने इसको चुना.
सरिता, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
I have started with athletics because one coach from SAIS came to my school and they took all the girls on the ground, started running and all. I started 100-meter in state level and I got gold medal on 100-meter under 16. Then after that, one coach, Sardar Baldev Singh, came to our school. So he started hockey. Then he saw me and said that athletic coach, I want this girl in hockey. Then after that, he started my game and seen my game and speed and everything. And he has never left me to go anywhere. He was so strict, and you can't even tell him that I want to go to the other game also. So I have started and I was liking it. The team was good from Shahabad and it's going and now I am here only.
One question that I would like to ask from all the three coaches is that your first experience of going abroad. Miss Mary, have you been, I mean, before representing your country, have you been to any other countries before?
Playing career, you're asking? Yeah, not playing.
Not playing. Yeah, just in general, or was it because of hockey that you first went abroad?
I think you're talking about abroad. I'm just talking about a district. Because of hockey only, I started to step into the next district where hockey is there. Like Coorg is actually famous in Bangalore, in Karnataka, if you
Yes,
see.
yes, yes.
So the hockey has come from there only in Karnataka. So if I tell like parents is to take us out, that is a different this one. It's a picnic type all. But playing career, going and seeing all those things is really something excitement. How the other countries are wearing, what the equipments they got, that was more exciting. But before that, that with the families, like it is different. You're going, having fun, having seeing sightseeing. That is, but in hockey, it is not there. You're not going for the sightseeing. Your focus is only on the ground, only on the win, only. And I would definitely say, like what question you are asked is like hockey only gave us many things. Going with our parents and family is like that is a different part. And once you choose hockey, your family doesn't come in between only. Like you're going for any marriage, you have to sort out everything in the side. You don't attend any meet this one because we are already focused in hockey. That is our main target. Like we took a hockey as a professional sports, and you know, we coaches the players who's playing now in the Olympics also, they must have missed many of the marriages, functions, festivals, there many things like that, that they have missed. But hockey is the one thing where we have seen okay, this is how we have to live our life. This is how it has been given discipline, the respect to the elders, how we talk to others, how we sit and eat, how there is a group of discipline has been maintained in the team. This is how the team. It is not individual, no. This is hockey is a team event. So because of hockey, we learned many things in the game. Being with the parents that's a different thing, culture. But sports is, if you see, it's a different culture. So I would
Which
definitely
country?
say
Which country did you go first for the first time?
Moscow, Russia.
Oh my God,
So it
that's
was very chill. And you know something like sports person has been when we went there, we didn't have roti or rice or something. We had a smashed potato. So we sports person, we always, whenever we go there, we don't creep for all those things. Whatever is there, we'll have. But because our focus is only on the game, we get smashed potato. Okay, fine, we'll have that with tomato chutney or something. We'll have, but our focus is only in the game. We never create that. Oh, we didn't get this. We didn't get that. How will we play? Nothing.
But what about
Whatever it has
the
been given.
weather? You are coming from south and Moscow with minus 30 degrees. I mean,
See,
how?
that is what the sports disciplines teaches how we have to maintain, how we have to be whenever we go and when we don't get anything, how we have to be there. This is sports is the one thing what it teaches us all those things. So even I think whoever plays, the youngsters also play, should know all these things. The discipline, the main.
The
We never
discipline.
cry for anything.
मनोरमा, आपका कौन सा कहाँ आप पहली बार गई थी?
ये 1992 में मलेशिया में एशिया जूनियर एशिया कप के लिए गई थी. जब से सबसे पहले वाला मैं आई वाज इन नॉट गोलकीपर, तो आफ्टर आई वाज इन अ कैंप एज अ स्ट्राइकर. So after few months, 1 year, 2 years, I went in camp. One is a coach told me ki you can play hockey goalkeeper. You are very tall. You are playing the football also. You know the kicking also. But you try to the goalkeeper. So once 2 months, I was in the camp as the goalkeeper. After I select the goalkeeper as the second goalkeeper. I think Timbong Lima is the first goalkeeper. So really, I don't know कि what मुझे पहली बार मैं इंडिया के लिए, कंट्री के लिए जा रही है, एंड मणिपुर के लिए पहली बार ऐसे लगे हम दोनों में, तो इतना लगा कि यार क्या बोलूं, आई कैन एक्सप्रेस सका चीजें. हमने इतना मेहनत, ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोगों ने कितना दिन से हमने हॉकी खेल के आ रही है. हॉकी से हमारी, जैसा बोला, हमारी फोकस हॉकी के अलावा, तभी तो हमारे पास ना मोबाइल नुमा कुछ भी नहीं है. और द टीम ऐसा है, हम एक दूसरों को बहुत प्यार भी करते हैं, एक साथ हम रहते हैं. कहीं भी जहाँ सीनियर लोग हम लोग को लेकर जाते हैं, कहीं भी हम लोग न्यू दिल्ली में, मोस्टली दिल्ली में कैंप होती है, तो हम लोग को लेकर जाती है. तो अच्छा लगा कि हम लोग को कहीं इतना मालूम नहीं होती. पहली बार आया, हम लोग इंडिया कैंप किया है, कैसे खाना, कैसे बात करना. स्टिल नाउ वी आर नॉट, हमारी लैंग्वेज इतना अच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी हम लोग मतलब हम लोग को मतलब सीनियर लोग के फॉलो करते हैं, चलो इधर जाओ, ये करो, वो करो. तो इसमें तभी से हम लोग, जब भी उसकी बात हम लोग उतना तक हम लोग को खेला, उसके बाद सिलेक्शन हुआ. तो रियली आई एम वेरी फील कि अरे यार हॉकी ने मेरे को सब कुछ दिया है. तो मेहनत है जो कभी 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 ऐसा नहीं कि मिलता नहीं, जो मेहनत जो मिलती है ना,
Waste.
कहीं ना कहीं
It didn't
आपके
go
रास्ता
waste.
है ना, खुला रहेगी, कहीं भी आपको रास्ता खुले रहेगा, आप मेहनत करते रहना। जो दिन भगवान बोला जाए कुछ भी हो, आप फोकस ऑन द ग्राउंड। हमको गेम के अलावा मैंने तब भी हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं मालूम था, सिर्फ एलोइज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गेम, इधर भी जाओ गेम गेम गेम, हम लोग पागल जैसे थे, हम लोग ना बाल भी नहीं आता था कैसे जो ना क्या करना हमको। आजकल तो बहुत चेंज हो गया, देर टाइम ओनली द हॉकी हॉकी बॉल हॉकी रात भर हम करते रहते, मॉर्निंग इवनिंग हमारी हॉकी के अलावा ऐसा है जिंदगी।
Sarita, आपका कौन सा, which country was the first country that you went?
Mine was, we went to Canada.
Canada. Mhm.
Yeah.
Canada में
It
कहाँ?
was Toronto.
Toronto, okay.
Yeah.
तो कैसा लगा? Experience कैसा रहा?
It was full amazing, I can say, because from small city I went to the Canada to play hockey, and I was looking on the ground and everything. We are simply playing on the grass, and this is which was the totally different experience for me. And girls were so tall, and they were on the ground only. We were playing and enjoying everything that was there. We went to Niagara Falls to see everything.
Another question that is from all the coaches, it is really difficult to balance family and now your sports and work. How do you cope up? Coach Mary.
This is quite, I think even being a lady, when you know how to take your family, how to manage things. So it was not difficult because we are not doing it alone. This is all the support of mothers and family members and the teammates, the manager, like as you know, everyone have team assistant coaches. It is not that easy that we are, it's not easy also, but it is not very hard also. Like it's very smoothly going on and we can do it. It's not impossible for us to do that because we know our focus is, and we are professionally hockey player. Our first preference is only sports, so we know how to manage the time and how to break down everything and even go for the office, go for take care of the family, now see the team. So we know how to manage. That is because of sports only. We learned because of the sports.
Manorma, family और sports कैसे आप balance करते हैं?
For me, my family always supported me. Actually, Papa, Mommy, all my sister. I'm the five daughter में हूँ. All sister, my brother. मेरे लिए मतलब कि गेम बोले तो ये जिंदगी छुट्टी घर पे भी आएगी, हॉस्टल से घर पे भी आएगी तो नहीं, आपको जैसा है अभी एकदम फुल सपोर्ट है. आई थिंक बिकॉज इट इज द आज इसके कारण से फैमिली की सपोर्ट के कारण मैं आज यहाँ पे हूँ, इसके कारण मैं आगे खेल सके. Hello is very supported me. Thank God for my parents or myself.
Sarita, आप बताइए.
And naturally, the first parents comes. After that, now we are married. Everybody, my husband is very supporting, and it is our passion. If you say to tell us to stay without hockey, even we can't think one day after hockey. एक दिन भी हम लोग हॉकी के बिना नहीं रह सकते. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम लाइफ में कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हैं, ऐसे बैठे इतना कुछ सीख के करके. तो इट इज आवर पैशन आल्सो. Support is there from the family, children, husband is there.
Mary, Coach Mary, how is the current generation looking up to this sport? Especially, I'm talking about the women.
See, if I see like how when we were playing, a lot of school didn't have hockey sports or something like that. But now at present, I'm working in Bombay, so I see each and every school has got each and every team has a team. And in that school also, they have A, B team. So it is like under 12, under 14, under 16, under 18. It is in like, you cannot imagine. We got such a lot of team in Mumbai. The other state also I've seen, like academy is there, that state government is giving, SAI is there, then excellency is going on. So it is not like before. Nowadays, hockey is been so seriously playing. That is because we have medals behind our. That is like we have taken Commonwealth Games, Asian Games. Then there are medalists. After getting the medal, they're getting awards. Seeing all these things, the youngsters are boosted up and they're taking hockey in all the states. the money, if you see, like if you see the prize, what after winning they're getting so much, they're qualified for the Olympics, the state is giving them. So it's seeing all these things, I think the youngsters are boosting them up, and many of the teams have been following up and coming up.
The time has changed. I mean, from the previous, from your
The time has
to-
changed,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
The decades, if you see, the time has changed.
मनोरमा, आप क्या कहेंगी आजकल की लड़कियां? I mean, how inclined are they towards hockey?
Sorry?
हॉकी के प्रति क्या? I mean, how do they feel? How do they look up to the sport? आज की जनरेशन.
अभी तो बहुत फैसिलिटी है मैडम, अभी तो पहले जैसे नहीं,
पहले से बहुत बेटर.
पहले से बेटर, बहुत बेटर है. हमारे हमने कैसे हम लोगों ने फेस किया है, when we are travel, we are going for the Indian camp के लिए ट्रेन में भी जाके तो विदाउट तो आजकल के लिए लोग के लिए आने जाने के लिए टू एंड फ्रो के लिए फ्लाइट में मिल रहे हैं. मतलब जनरेशन वेरी चेंजेस, देयर आर वेरी गुड फैसिलिटी from the SI Hockey India and the SI Bangalore, everywhere they got the good facility.
सरिता, आप क्या कहेंगी?
जैसे कि स्टार्टिंग में ही हेलन ने बताया था कि दिस इज कॉल्ड मीडिया. आप लोग इतना अच्छे से दिखा रहे हैं तो जिसके ऊपर बच्चों को भी मालूम पड़ रहा है कि आज हमारी हॉकी टीम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गई है और उनको क्या मिल रहा है. तो इसलिए वो लोग भी स्पोर्ट्स में आ रहे हैं और स्पोर्ट्स एक अच्छी एक्टिविटी भी है बच्चों के लिए. जो आजकल के पेंडेमिक में आपको मालूम है कि एक्सरसाइज करना, ये सब करना, तो वो लोग भी मतलब आपके थ्रू, मीडिया के थ्रू उनको जैसे पता चल रहा है कि आज लड़कियों की टीम ओलंपिक्स में जा रही है. तो पहले इतना ये सब नहीं होता था, तो अभी बच्चे भी ये सब देख के और आ रहे हैं आगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लोग इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रहे, तो फुली इंटरेस्ट है वो लोग गेम्स वगैरह में, ऐसा मेरा मानना है.
What advice would you like to give to the upcoming, I mean, to the girls who would like to take up hockey as a sport? Mary, Coach Mary.
Advice is nothing so special, but I would definitely say playing sports as a career is just like a music. So it tunes as per you go. You have to tune yourself. See, sports is like that. If you're taking hockey, it's not that. So you have all the speed, power pack, then endurance, all these things comes together. So in the childhood, your grassroots, if they have to start with the basic things. So I'm not telling to take hockey, but best is like how their figure is, how they maintain their body and how they play the game, how their fitness is. Then they can choose. Okay, hockey is like this. For this you need this. For this you need this. So I would definitely say hockey, as I like. It is not that everyone has to like hockey. I like it is my passion, so I took okay, this is the thing. But parents definitely see there are lots of hopes for the girls in hockey. So I would definitely say to the parents, not for the kids, take up hockey and see how it is. Don't keep them at home and just have fun and watching the TV or that power. They're being very fit is more, I think, more responsibility for us to say as a coach to the parents, make them as a good fit more than taking an event like any of the games. So they have to be fit first. You have to take care of that thing first.
मनोरमा, आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगी?
मुझे लगता है कि सबसे मेहनत है, सबसे बड़ा बात है. आप ईमानदारी से आप अपने आप को खुद काम करना है. आप जब भी आपकी ईमानदारी नहीं होती तो आपको आगे कुछ नहीं होगा. आप चाहे जितना कोच आपको पीछे पड़े, ये करो ना करो, लेकिन आप जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कोच आपके पीछे पड़ो. आपको खुद ईमानदारी से काम करना है, आगे जाना है, तभी तो आप आगे जा सकता है. जब भी आप खेलोगी, दिस इज अ टीम वर्क है, तो आपको टीम वर्क के साथ आप एक टीम खेलोगी, आप टीम एक साथ जीतेगी. आप अकेली नहीं है, टीम जीतेगी, एक कंट्री की है, एक खुद के ही है. तो इसलिए कभी भी आप जो मेहनत करते रहना, जो मेहनत करने वाले के लिए कोई कभी ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा. जो मेहनत की फल जो है ना, मीठा ही होता है. जो इसलिए अपने आप को किसी की नहीं, अपने आप को फोकस ऑन द गेम. आप मेहनत करो ईमानदारी के साथ, जब भी आप आगे जाएगी, कभी लूज नहीं करेगी, दूसरी कोई भी चीज में आप साइड में नहीं देखेगी, तभी तो आप आगे जा सकते हैं. जैसा मैं आप लोग को मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ, मेहनत की सबसे बड़ा मेहनत, अपना मेहनत जो सबसे बड़ा बात है. मेहनत के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकते.
सरिता, आप क्या बोलेंगे?
मैं ये पेरेंट्स को यही कहना चाहूंगी कि वो लोग बच्चों के लिए सोचते हैं कि स्टडी ही सब कुछ है, उसमें ही वो लोग कैरियर बना सकते हैं। स्पोर्ट्स में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। स्पोर्ट्स में भी बहुत ऊपर तक जा सकते हो, अपना कैरियर इसमें भी बहुत अच्छी तरह बना सकते हो। तो आपको अच्छे से मतलब खेलना है, मेहनत करनी है। आप स्टडीज में भी मेहनत करोगे, स्टडीज में भी, स्पोर्ट्स में भी अगर आप जी जान से मेहनत करोगे तो आप कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच सकते हो, आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा।
Right. Exactly.
Thank you so much, all the coaches, and for your valuable insight and for your valuable time. And on behalf of the entire team of Newsband, in fact, entire country, we wish all the players all the very best. Chuck the India. This is all what we can
Yes,
say.
Chuck the India.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so
Hockey is
much.
my life. Hockey is something.
Yes.
Good luck,
Yes. Thank you. Thanks a lot.